forward, Mad Max. Alright, easy. One hand on the green, the other one goes on the rope.
Alright, have fun.
Gonna walk towards the edge. Hit it. Alright, and relax your hand.
Stop filming.
Woo!
Hand cam and booby cam. Okay, have a seat.
Alright.
And sliding off.
Woo. Mate. Come on in. You're going to turn, hold on to that rail there, man. And I'll take your right hand. Come on up. Little turn, holding on to that rail there. Nice one. Sweet. Welcome to platform 2, guys. We're now 19.5 metres above the ground. Still about 230 metres above the sea level. And you're both attached to a 1,000-year-old tree. So I'm going to remove all of the gear from the front and back of both of you. You can take a seat as well, please. Nice one. So yeah, that red one's the one that'll help you steer, guys, if you feel like you're spinning a bit weird.
Mate, just hand me your left hand, mate. That's alright. We're gonna do some. There you go. Grab the white rope above your head, mate, and just pull yourself in. Hand me your left hand. Feet up, stand up. That's perfect. You pull the rope and the railing, mate, for me. How you doing, Mad Max?
Good.
Might call it a butterfly.
For a second. What's your harness number, mate? 60. Alright. Yep! To go. There you go, please.
Cool.
Thank God it's not my laundry day today, eh?
And sliding off. And feet all the way up. Hands all the way
Alright, swing your legs back down. Sit on up. Great. I'm going to take your hand and turn you onto here. Come on up. Little turn like that. Perfect. That was a cool view. Yeah, man. Or the forest bottom going like this. Alright. Okay. Take the gear off for you. One more on your back here.